Welcome to my channel, where we'll dive into the intriguing world of black holes and the mind-bending concepts behind them. In theory, pretty much anything could become a black hole if it were squeezed down small enough. At what point would the Earth become a very unimpressive black hole in space? We'll figure it out and tell the tale of the Schwarzschild radius. Carl Schwarzschild is one of those people who make us resentfully conscious of just how little we get done during our days. He was a well-respected professor of astrophysics in Germany, one of the major physics research centers. When World War I broke out, he enlisted in the army and was sent to the Russian front. There wasn't a pleasant front in World War I, but Russia was extra tough, and everyone would have understood if he had just concentrated on staying alive. Instead, he got some reading material, which happened to be Einstein's theory of general relativity. This theory has Einstein stating that massive objects distort space-time, and that distortion is what we perceive as gravity. Schwarzschild considered this, and thought that a massive enough object packed into a small enough space could distort space-time enough that not even light could escape it. As there was nothing currently on his plate, probably literally, he decided to go ahead and work out that relation of mass and space it was packed into. He came up with the groundbreaking idea that the radius within which an object could transform into a black hole is determined by the formula R 2gm C2. This implies that theoretically any object could become a black hole if it were compressed enough. However, the distinction between technically and practically is crucial in understanding this phenomenon. Recently, scientists were astonished to find that a star with a mass 40 times that of the Sun did not produce a black hole after its collapse. If a massive entity like a preternatural mass hugger existed, almost anything could theoretically be compressed into a black hole within its Schwarzschild radius. To turn the Sun into a black hole, it would have to be compressed to a radius of about 3 kilometers. The Earth, on the other hand, would need to be squeezed down to a radius of just 8.7 millimeters. While this may seem unimpressive, I like to think of it as akin to a tiny space assassin ready to emerge from the shadows. Unfortunately, Carl Schwarzschild passed away from an infection within a year of formulating his eponymous calculation. He never had the chance to witness the discovery of black holes or the wider acceptance of his groundbreaking ideas in astrophysics. Nevertheless, his contributions laid the foundation for future explorations into the mysteries of the universe.